Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on rounding off money worksheet. So this video presents a simple worksheet where we can practice rounding off amounts of money to the nearest 5 cents. Now we've had a lesson on this topic where we learnt that many countries do not have 1 and 2 cent pieces in circulation, hence we have to round off the money to the nearest 5 cents because that's the most convenient way to operate. Now there is a lesson on this topic, so if you're not sure what to do, on the next slide just click on the link provided. That will automatically take you to the lesson and it will explain how to do all the examples. So let's see what's required. Round off each of the following amounts to the nearest 5 cents. So $4.52. We have to round that off to the nearest 5 cents. In the lesson we saw that if the number here, that is in the hundredths column, if that's a 1 or a 2, you round down. Same here. That's a 1, so we round down. Over here we saw that if the number in the hundredths column was a 6 or a 7, you also round down. So for all those 4 examples there, we round down to the nearest 5 cents. The next one, round off each of the following amounts to the nearest 5 cents. Now here we have $3.54. We saw in the lesson that if this was a 4, we round up. Here we have $5.73. In the lesson we saw if that was a 3, we round up. $6.39, because that's a 9, we round up. And $7.68, because that's an 8, we also round up. And then we have a nice little problem here. This simulates what we might experience at the shops when we go and buy stuff. So it says here, calculate the final bill to the nearest 5 cents. So this is the actual final bill. That is the amount you actually have to pay at the checkout. John bought 6 kilograms of carrots at $2.48 per kilogram and 7 kilograms of grapes at $3.87 per kilogram. Calculate the exact cost for both the carrots and grapes. After that, round off the final bill to the appropriate amount. So we have to find the exact cost for the carrots and the grapes. After we do that, we add up those individual amounts to get the final bill, and then we do the rounding off right at the end, and that's the amount we pay at the checkout. So this video has given us a few examples where we can practice rounding off to the nearest 5 cents. There's a lesson on the topic and there's a link on the next slide if you need any help. Just click on the link and that'll take you to the lesson and it will explain how to do all of these examples.